Scientists believe that Earth is experiencing its first mass extinction event since non-avian dinosaurs died out 65 million years ago. More than 40% of amphibians and quarter of all mammals are currently at risk of disappearing entirely from our planet. It's the result of changes set in motion by human activity and climate change, with life in the oceans particularly affected. Coral reefs, home to over a quarter of all marine species, could disappear by 2050, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, which compiles an annual red list of the world's most endangered wildlife. Antarctic blue whales, the largest creatures on the planet, are critically endangered, just one step away from extinction. With as few as 30 left in the world, the vaquita, the world's smallest porpoise, is probably the species most at risk of extinction. The mammal gets caught in illegal fishing nets and drowns. Some 60% of freshwater species such as crocodiles, hippos and river dolphins are classified as threatened and lacking adequate protection. The reclusive pangolin has become the most trafficked mammal on Earth due to soaring demand in Asia for their scales for traditional medicine and their meat, which is considered a delicacy. More than half of all primates are under threat of extinction due to habitat destruction, the illegal wildlife trade and hunting. 4 out of 6 of the Earth's great apes are endangered or critically endangered. Many wild cats are also on the cusp of extinction, including the Sumatran tiger and Javan leopard. All 5 surviving species of rhinoceros in the wild are threatened primarily by poaching. The northern white rhino is already extinct in the wild, with less than a handful left in captivity. The number of Asian elephants has fallen by at least 50% over 3 generations, with less than 50,000 left in the wild. The future of 6 out of 8 bear species is also cause for concern. The giant panda and polar bears are both vulnerable.